Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 290 Amberjack. It's a 2009 model. It's in great condition, and we're just doing a quick cockpit video for you. We'll be doing inside video, startup video, and I've done a short sea trial video when I brought the boat back from its full servicing on it. There's the nice vanity countertop with telephone style shower spigot there. You got good storage underneath it. On the port side, you have back-to-back seating. As you go forward in the boat, you have a large helm seat with a bolster on it. It does fold back down like that, so you can sit two very comfortably, and it has great electronics. It's got the Ray Marine hybrid, dual screens, chart plotter, fish finder, radar, you name it, it's got it. It's a beautiful looking boat in great shape. It's got the DTS MerCruiser controls with a pair of 350 Mag engines in it. Great looking boat. It's got 1,235 hours on the port engine, 1,228 on the starboard engine. We've done full servicing. Look at the clearness of the forward facing eyes and glass. Great visibility, great running boat. Has the electric vent on it and the custom hardtop. This is a 2009 Amberjack. It's in great condition, seriously for sale. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 604-708-1980. We will be doing a startup video and inside video for you as well. We really appreciate you watching. This is great value in a boat. Thanks again for watching.